Measure, cut and sew a shirt without patterns. Today's video takes inspiration from Accra-based Tailor Emmanuel. Join us and I hope you enjoy this video. Step 1. Iron out all the creases from the fabric. Measure and mark out according to the body measurement using a tape measure and tailor's chalk. Cut any excess fabric at the edges using a pair of scissors. Step 4. Draw the curves around the neckline and the armhole by joining the marks, just as shown in the video. A quick tip is to cut through 2 layers of necklines. Snip along the edges of the armholes and neckline to ease the curve. Run stitches along the neckline to stabilize it. Using a fusible tape will keep the interfacing in place. Make sure your fabric is flat and free from all creases as you work your way through. The trimmings on the armhole needs to be exact so that it fits. If you want to see how this shirt turns out, kindly subscribe. Also like this video to support a local artisan in Ghana. Thank you for watching.